Hey guys,
Hey.
we're in Walmart right now.
With the puppy pads.
With the puppy pads. See? Puppy pads.
Hey, honestly, it's called a puppy pad. Why is he sitting on top of it? Look how much room he's taking up. Okay, sorry, go ahead.
Right. And we're here looking at the cards, and we cannot find the cards we are looking for. Whoa. That's kind of weird.
Yeah, because this Walmart.
These are not the droids you're looking for. No, we can't find them. Like, there's some cards over down there. And junk. But we can't find the ones we're looking for. It's Bicycle 125th CDS. And you know what that means? Awesomeness. That's what it means. And there's none there. So we have no awesomeness left.
No awesomeness. Just
sad day.
Just boring crappiness. They do have streamlines though. Those are cool.
Yeah, they are cool, but I had them already.
I have $1 in my pocket somewhere.
Oh my giggity.
Use words I don't understand.
Giggity? There's your keys. I'm stupid. Where's the swords? Where'd they go? Working for the Nerf swords. It's time to do battle.
I actually have a Nerf sword.
Look, this looks like a first person game. Hold on. Yep.
Oh, I got shield.
Well, that's fun. Get some creepy Mario stuff. And some dinosaurs.
Oh, I got a fireman outfit.
Oh boy.
Oh, dude, Thomas the Train has a remote control engine.
Thomas the Train? That's awesome.
Oh, that's so cool. Does it come with a track?
Did I tell you about what I watched?
No.
Freakazoid?
Oh, yeah, you did.
Yeah, I did. That was awesome.
I watched that episode on my phone at work.
Freakazoid. Did you really? It's awesome.
It's a good thing nobody knows where I work.
Yeah, he works at a motorcycle shop. Yeah. Doesn't he look like the motorcycle type of guy? Look at that.
I even got the tat.
Oh yeah, he's got a tat to go with it. And
My wife's name.
Oh yeah. That's awesome.
The puppy pads don't really help the image, but
yeah, but he has a puppy, so it's okay. We're going back into the public, so we'll be back in a second. Okay.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Huh? What's up? Hey, we've got back from Wendy's and Walmart, and we are now practicing flourishes and doing tricks and stuff with Nyla. Hey, Nyla. Hi. Hi. What are you doing?
that's the beast that we got the puppy pads for.
Yeah, that's the beast we got the puppy pads for. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. So, show the camera a trick?
Sure.
Like a simple little thing?
Yeah.
Awesome. We're going to see a trick. In just a second.
Yeah, we are.
Please wait during these commercials. Okay, we're back. All right. Are you ready?
I guess.
All right. Let's do it.
What should I do? Okay. Check it out. Tell me when to stop, Cody.
Okay, stop. It tickled. Stop it. Do you want up?
Nyla. Go. Go.
She won't go. Alright. Okay.
Alright. Try this again.
You just don't want tricks, do you? That's a beast, alright.
Nyla, go to your box.
Yeah, she has a box right over there.
Go to your box. Go to your box. Go. Good girl. You can sit there and act all pretty. Okay.
Alright, let's try this again.
Actually, just touch one.
I'll touch one.
That one?
Yes.
The 3 of Hearts. I would have you write your name on it, but these are...
Kind of old.
Yeah. So, let's place it right there.
Okay.
I'm going to stick it out so you can see it's really going in there.
Okay.
Okay. And now, watch. Go ahead and push it in.
Okay. Whoa. That's cool, man. I like it. And there's no other 3s in the pack whatsoever, except for the other
Diamonds.
suits. That was pretty cool. I enjoyed it.
Cool.
Yeah.
You want to do one?
Yes, I do, actually.
Cool.
Sort of, yeah. Okay. Alright, we'll be right back.
Now we're back with Cody.
Hi. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little trick now. Hopefully you enjoy it. Nick,
Yes.
I would like you to select a playing card. Okay.
Okay.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you can just put it back right where it was. And we'll put it back. Okay? So it's lost in the center of the pack. Now, set the pack down. Now, would it be cool if I could pull your card out of the center, stick it back in upside down?
Yes, that would be awesome.
Alright, let me see if I can do it. Did you see it?
No.
Well, you're gonna see it in just a second. Is the 5 of Hearts your card?
No, it is not.
It's not?
Nope.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, I think I have an idea. Maybe this is a clue. Maybe if I take the 5, maybe this is telling me where your card is. Maybe if I count down 1, 2, 3, 4. I think maybe the 5th card might be your card.
Yep. That's mine.
And you know what the best part is?
What?
That wasn't the end of the trick. This is.
That's awesome.
And that's my trick.
Sweet!